Here is our tutorial on creating an online wish list. Start by clicking the Create an Online Wishlist button. This will take you to the item editor. First and foremost, you need to say what you want. This is the only field you need to fill in. Then you can select how many you want. Add an optional description. Since you haven't got a wish list yet, the option to create a new one is already ticked. You can change the privacy settings of the item, rate how much you want it, and add some optional tags. And if you know where to get it, you can add the web page for the item and how much it costs. Including one or more web pages where you can get the gift make it easier for your friends and family to ensure they get exactly what you want. Finally, click the Create Wish List button. And it will be added to your newly created wish list. You can add more things, or when you're happy with our service, you can register your account so others can see what you want.